Good morning, Budgie. Who's a dirty bird? Good morning. You like hanging out on your perch and looking outside? Are you going to say words? Say good morning. Come on, flap those wings. What words are you going to say? Dirty bird. Good morning. You're talking so much. Boy, for you one who started out as a quiet bird, you sure can sing. You like it in your office, huh? You got all that stuff outside. Look here, you got all them plants to look at. Who's a good budgie bird? You had a squirrel visit you this morning. You got one leg hooked up. Oh yes, oh yes. Flap your wings. Come on, stretch those wings. Stretch those wings. Good morning. Good morning. Are you going quiet on me now? No. How long can you keep this up? Huh? How long could you keep this up? Good morning. Oh, I got close. You're going to be quiet now, huh? Good morning. You see those birds out there? I see them. Good morning. You're making some funny noises. Yes, good morning. Say hi. I know that the video's blurry now, but I want to hear you sing up close. What do you think of this camera? Huh? Say hello to the camera, even though it's blurry. No more singing? You don't like that camera in your face? I don't blame you. Oh, big stretch of the wing. How about the other one? How about you flap those wings? Show me how you flap those wings. Budgie Bird. You cleaning and preening? You are? Oh, I know. How about you flap those wings? Hey. You want some spray millet? Because you're such a nice singer?
Kim,
Have some of that. That's good stuff, huh? That's good stuff. You like that, huh? Say thank you. Say thank you. Oh, get that big wing stretching. Oh. Flap your wings, Budge. Okay, I think that's enough singing video. Say bye. Say goodbye. Goodbye, Budgie Bird. Budgie Bird. You all quiet now? Yeah, I see that bug behind you. You saw him too? Who's out there? All your friends? Boy, you're stretching your wings a lot today. Show me how you flap them. Come on, get them flapping. Yes, flap them. Flap those wings. Flap those wings. Get all excited. Flap those wings, Budge. Flap those wings. Where's the bird? Where's the bird? There he goes. Where's the bird? Where's the bird, Budge? Where's the bird? Where is he? Where is he? I see him out there. I love your songs. I love your songs. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. You're so talkative. Okay. I'm gonna sign off so I can make this small enough to put it on YouTube. See you, Budge.